From a niggling cough to a fever, cold and flu syrups are the go-to for most parents with sick children and many adults too. But now, Indonesian health authorities are banning the sale of all syrup medicines as they investigate the deaths this year of nearly 100 children. The health ministry is warning the syrups may contain ingredients linked to fatal kidney injuries.
As a preventive measure, the ministry has asked all health workers in all health facilities to temporarily stop prescribing or providing any liquid or syrup medication until our research and investigation are completed.
But despite these restrictions, many parents are still worried.
I also have a small child, a 2-year-old, and if this is fatal for my child, I'd rather have it stopped. What I know is that now it isn't just impacting children's cough syrup. Adult cough syrup has also temporarily gone off the shelves. It's feared that this could affect adults too, as I'm aware because I also work in a pharmacy.
The latest scare comes just weeks after the World Health Organization published a report saying cough syrups manufactured in India may have been linked to the deaths of almost 70 children in the Gambia.
The 4 medicines are cough and cold syrups produced by Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited in India. WHO is conducting further investigation with the company and regulatory authorities in India.
In response, Indian authorities halted the production at a New Delhi company, Maiden Pharmaceuticals. An investigation found the syrups linked to fatal kidney injury contained high levels of di-ethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. The clear, colorless, syrupy alcohols are traditionally used in antifreeze and for other industrial purposes. These substances are used as a cheaper alternative in some pharmaceutical products to glycerine, a solvent or thickening agent in many cough syrups. WHO says the toxic effects of these substances can include abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and acute kidney injury, which may lead to death. WHO has marked these products as substandard medical products, which are products that fail to meet either their quality standards or specifications. It's not the first time the chemicals have been used as a cheap substitute for glycerine. Mass poisonings have been reported in children in Nigeria, India, Bangladesh and Haiti. India supplies 45% of all generic medicines to Africa, and it's been dubbed the pharmacy of the world. There are fears that the latest incident in the Gambia could seriously harm India's reputation. Authorities have been quick to investigate and close down the offending company. But this is little comfort for the parents of the children in the Gambia.